This is a 2009 BMW X3. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Sport Activity Package, xDrive, adaptive brake lights, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, roof rails, a leather-wrapped shift knob, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and satellite radio. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
BMW of San Antonio is located at 8434 Airport Boulevard in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.